Do you want to remove your credit or debit card from the App Store and use an alternative payment method? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your card and add an alternative payment method. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Now tap on your name right here. Then tap on Payment and Shipping. You maybe must log in with your Apple account, and then you can see right here all the payment methods which are now connected and saved to your account. Simply tap on Add Payment Method, and now you can select the payment option or method you want to have in the future. In my case, only credit or debit card is available. Depending on your country or region, you will have more options for the payment method, such as Apple Pay or even PayPal. Once you've filled in all the payment details, just tap on Done. And here you can now see that we successfully added a payment method, and then we just remove the old one. We are doing this just by tapping on the old card right here, and then just tap here on the bottom, Remove Payment Method, confirm, and that's it. For the next payments, you will use the new payment method. Thanks for watching.